It's me, as I am through here. So I'm going to show you all how to ban someone, by the way. So if you want to know how to do this, I'm going to show you. So go to, it's right here, and you'll see these command blocks right here. Alright, so if you ever want to ban somebody for like hacking or something, alright, so you got this right here, which is basically the layout. So I'm gonna teleport my alt, real quick. So yeah, I'm gonna teleport him over here. Now, all you gotta do, you gotta right click this button right here. So you ready? So as you can see, I banned him, for, you know, the reason for flying. But yeah, that's how you can ban somebody, by the way. So yeah. So if you ever wanted to ban someone, you can. Hopefully you all can see the screen now. There we go. That's how you ban someone. And I'm gonna show you all right here. Basically, this is what the ban message looks like. So yeah, you'll see this message right here if you get banned. So then you go and then you go back over here on the server. And you can see the players joined the server. So basically, you got this right here. Oh wait, I gotta off myself real quick. Hang on a minute, everyone. Alright. Actually, I could just do this. So yeah. Effect give player night vision. What the heck? I'm literally typing in the letter N and it's doing that. I don't know why. Alright. So yeah. Alright. So that worked. Basically, here's what this says. So it says, welcome to the hacker jail. And you got this right here. Oh my gosh. So it says if the reason didn't show up on the screen, just jump into the fire, which I have no idea who keeps on. Don't read this sign. It said that sign was never there. That came from Gamer Boy, by the way. So anyways, yeah. Alright. Who keeps on removing this fire? I have no idea who keeps on removing this fire, but I'm going to need to take care of this. Alright, that's better. So anyways, yeah. So you can also use the back command too, if you need to. Alright. So now, we have the unban command. So if you go over here, well actually I'm going to show you something. So if you open this thing right here, you can like warn somebody. Basically, I'm going to do the warn command again. That's what it looks like. You have that big thing on the screen, but I'm going to try this real quick. Ready? So yeah, if you ever get warned, that's what you're going to hear. Alright, so we also have the Unban system. So I'm going to go over here and show you all the Unban system. So you press this button right here, and it smites the player. And you also see like a lightning bolt right there too. But yeah, so basically it just says, you have been unbanned. You are unbanned from this server. Reason, false ban, unfair ban. So you just click that. You go back into the server. And then you could just, you know, you could do /warp if you need to. I'm going to go warp to spawn. Because, you know, that's what I'm going to do. So yeah. So basically, that's the system, basically. So we also have other plugins as well. But some plugins don't work right now because of the new update. Like gadget menu, disguises, no plugins, always online, and you know, just all that, you know. If you try to do the disguise plugin, it's just gonna just do this and it won't work. But yeah. So now I want to show you all something. Now I'm gonna go on ahead and go on Discord real quick. So I'll show you all. Alright. So yeah, basically that's how you do it. But I also did that too. But yeah, that's basically how you ban somebody on the server. So yeah. And we also have /rules too. So if I can go to my staff house, it'd be great. So I'm gonna go to staff house real quick, which only staff members are allowed to come here. That's for a reason. So yeah. Why is this thing open? Alright. Basically, you just have the chest and stuff, but don't touch any of this stuff because it's mine. No one is allowed to touch any of my stuff. Alright. Basically, if you walk in here, you actually just have to do this. Yeah. Make sure you shut the doors. And if you need to, you can also shut the thing right here as well. There we go. So like you could just do that if you want to. But yeah, I would recommend it because you know, just for safety reasons. You know, you gotta make sure you keep the room private if you need to like do anything like staff applications or meetings. You know, just all that kind of stuff. You know. We don't want nobody looking at our, you know, at our rooms because we're having a staff conversation. We don't want anyone seeing any, like, you know, like, we don't want anyone to see whether we're doing staff things or not. Yeah, that's why we gotta close these. But yeah, I'm gonna close these too. Alright, so those windows are closed. So yeah, basically that's about it, you know. So I close these windows too. If you're wondering what this is, it's just the air vent system, but do not even think about even messing with it. Okay, so here's the wall thing right here. So basically, yeah.